Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about timing belts on your vehicle, and I got my little setup here to show you kind of how the timing belt works. Timing belts are extremely important on a vehicle, if your vehicle actually has them. And what's even more important is replacing them when the manufacturer recommends. By not replacing a timing belt, often you can have a failure, the belt will fail, the cogs will come off the belt, and the vehicle comes out of time. The concern with that is often vehicles are interference motors, and the vehicle then can end up with valve damage and expensive repairs. So replacing a timing belt at the right time is important. Replacing the components involved with it are extremely important too. Number one, would be a water pump on a vehicle here. A lot of water pumps on vehicles are run by the timing belt also, so it's good to replace the water pump at the same time, along with the hydraulic tensioner, the tensioner bearing, and the idler bearings. All should be part of a proper timing belt replacement. So make sure when it's time to get your timing belt replaced that you do it by manufacturer's recommendations, and a quality facility can keep you advised on that, and that all the components are replaced with quality components to give you a good, long service on your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.